Today, we will demonstrate how you can quickly query and analyze very large datasets with Oracle Analytics Cloud, DV. We start by going into the SSB generic schema tables on ADWC to select our data. There are about 1 billion rows of data here. Then we go into the Oracle Analytics Cloud and create a connection to the data in ADWC. We create a name, enter the host information and port number, and finally enter your username and password. Save. And now that we have a successful connection, let's create our data source directly pointing to our main fact table. We will pull from ADWC by going to the SSB data, go to the line order and add all. Now you see the filtered line order. Select it, auto-fresh using the live database, not cached Oracle DV. Enter your title and then select the Add button, which launches the dataset creation for the OAC. While the dataset is processing, we can open up the ADWC console to monitor every SQL query hitting the database. The page refreshes every 5 seconds. The dataset is now successfully saved in Oracle Analytics Cloud. We've successfully created and connected our data source, and it's always up to date with the latest information. Now let's analyze the dataset with Oracle DV. Let's keep an eye on the performance of the SQL queries while we develop the analysis. Now let's take a look at revenue as one of the data elements. And we'll make sure to look at sums, counts, and averages. You can see that the SQL query time only takes a few seconds. Here we will choose count and then pick a visualization we like. You can now see our 1 billion rows count, and you can see that the time on the right is incredibly fast. Let's take the average discount element and place that in our tile layout and make sure the number format is correct. Let's aggregate the metrics by attribute values. We will pick shipping information and look at the revenue from a period of time by selecting the time calculation metric. By year, let's have it provide the best visualization for us. This will take a few seconds longer. Okay, now let's format the canvas a bit. We want a bar chart here. Now let's create an analysis that joins the fact table with a dimension table. Let's add another live dataset that has already been created. We will add the parts table from the SSB schema. Let's add this dataset to our project. Now let's create an analysis that joins the fact table with the dimension table. And let's declare the relationship to the fact table for the Oracle Analytics Cloud queries. We want to establish the relationship with the part data here. Let's go back to our canvas visualization and run an analysis that joins these tables. Let's take a look at sales based on the different part colors. And there you have it. Over 1 billion rows with a visual correlation between sales and the first letter of the product color. Interesting sales pattern. In our next demonstration, we will show you how to avoid queries that typically take a long time to complete.